Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogtober. So today is just pretty much a chill day. I'm kind of just cleaning up around the house. If you see my little flyaways, it's because I just washed my hair. That's what happens when I wash my hair and then I blow dry it, and then I do a little bit of like a flat iron on it, and the hair just sticks straight up. But by tomorrow, hopefully it should be gone. Well, usually it's kind of gone. Ooh, this is great lighting. I hope that you guys are enjoying this lighting as much as I am. So today, what did we do? We washed some dishes. We have the dishwasher going. I'm gonna be making some green smoothies, but on top of the green smoothies, I wanted to make little cupcakes because I usually don't make cupcakes. So, and I have this like cool little packet of Halloween little cutie thingies. So this was $1 at CVS and it has 24 cups. So for $1, it's not bad at all. I'm gonna be making this Ghirardelli double chocolate cake into little cupcakes, and I'm gonna be using the Hershey's milk chocolate. It's not my favorite, however, I'm very lazy and I don't want to make my own. So that's what lazy people get. Anyway, I'm gonna be bringing you guys along this little journey, so I hope that you guys enjoy. Hey. Okay, perfect. So now I'm using my cake stand as a little tripod area, additional room here, so that's awesome. What I'm gonna do is I already started preheating the oven at 350. I have my little muffin pan thing. I'm gonna put the liners in there, and then I'm gonna start mixing this stuff. Okay, and voila, now it's all lined. Now, I did read a couple quick tips before I started doing this whole mess, and it says that you should measure out how much you're putting in and not eyeball the batter into the little liners, but I'm gonna go ahead and eyeball that. But everything else I am following, okay? So let's see. It says 2 eggs, 2/3 cup, 1/3 vegetable oil. So let's see. 1/3 cup vegetable oil. Here we go. Okay, now I'm just gonna start mixing these bad boys. These cupcakes. Ooh, they're gonna be so good. I'm probably just gonna jump ahead to when I'm putting them in the oven and checking for them, making sure that everything's good. So I will catch up with you guys in a minute. Okay, so now I have filled up the liners, and it said online to fill them up 2/3 to 3/4 of the way. And I think that's just about it there. So now I'm gonna pop these bad boys in. I'm gonna Google it because it doesn't say if you're making, oh, it says muffin pan. Okay, 16 to 20 minutes. So 16 to 20 minutes, I will check them in 16 minutes. Okay, so that was pretty easy. I also see on here on the box that it actually gives you like instructions of how to make buttercream frosting. So I should have just read the box before I left, because I was like, oh, it's gonna be so difficult, but it does not look that difficult. Next time, we're gonna make fresh frosting, guys, but not this time. Next time, for sure. But yeah, I'm excited because these are so cute, and I wanna put these in there, and that makes them Halloween-y. So yeah, I am just, I am just enjoying my weekend here. Cleaning and planning out the rest of my videos for the week. It's pretty fun and exciting. What did I do yesterday? Okay, so yesterday I was with my cousin, and she's a seamstress, so my allergies have been crazy. We went lace shopping because I'm having her create a custom collar for me, because we are going to be dressed as a couple, me and Freddie, for Halloween once we do our it's like a smoke bomb Halloween themed photo shoot for Halloween. So that's pretty exciting. I don't know if you can guess what I'm gonna be for Halloween, but it does have a lace collar. So that's my hint for you. And then Freddie has his whole outfit already planned, you know, as like the costume. And just to let you know, he has a book bag. So I don't know if that is enough for you to guess what it is, but there you go. You guys, they look so good. I'm so surprised. I really don't make cupcakes often, so that's why I'm just like, I didn't really know what to expect, but they look good so far. So I'm gonna let them cool down for like a minute or two in the little tin thing, a muffin tin thing, whatever it's called. And then I'm gonna try to take them out and put them like on the little cooling rack. That way they don't overcook. Although I used 3 little toothpicks and I tried 3 different cupcakes just to make sure that they weren't, that they were coming out dry, basically, the little toothpicks. So I will catch up with you guys in a minute. I'm actually in the middle of watching I forgot her name, hold on. Come on. I'm in the middle of watching Ashley Brooke. I don't know if you guys follow her, but I love like her style, and she's just really cool. She's very like down to earth, and she is all about like minimizing your usage and having like a minimal wardrobe and stuff like that, which I'm kind of like leaning towards and like working my way towards that. So yeah, if you get a chance to watch her, go watch her, check her out. But I will catch you guys in a minute because I'm gonna take these little cupcakes out now. Okay guys, to be 100% honest with you, this has been the most relaxing, therapeutic thing that I've done today. Like, who knew that baking can be so fun and relaxing? I think these are the cutest little cupcakes, and they're for no reason, just because I wanted them. And I wanted to fill my cake stand with something. So this is what they look like. They're so cute. That's the frosting. So I just got done frosting them because they were cooling. But now I'm going to set up my cake stand and put some in there, maybe eat 1 or 2. I don't know. I don't know where this life is gonna take me. So I hope that you enjoyed this cute little, what would you call this? Like a cute little bake with me cupcake relaxing day. I'm not sure what the title of this video is gonna be, but it's just a cute little video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this time with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.